For Amalgamation W, we're going to work on some shuffles because they are one of the main concepts of tap dancing. So we're going to make 4 forwards, 4 side, 4 shuffle ball heels, 2 shuffle ball heels side, shuffle and a pas de bourrée back, side, front. Again, you can make that pas de bourrée to change directions if you like. Now we have the left foot free, 4 shuffles forwards, 4 side, 4 shuffle ball heels, 2 shuffle ball heels side, shuffle, pas de bourrée, back, side, front. And again, turn or move it around as you wish. And we'll go 4 forward, 4 side, 4 shuffle ball heels, 2 shuffle ball heels side, shuffle, back, side, front. Let's try with some music. Amalgamation X, this is quite a nice one. Tap step ball change, pick up hop toe hop. 2 tap springs, 5 and 6. Ball change, tap spring, and 7 and 8. Brush hop, brush spring, crossing the feet over 2 times, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And a triple time step, and click on the end. Tap step ball change, pick up hop toe hop, 2 tap springs and 5 and 6, ball change and 7, tap spring and 8. Then 2 brush hop brush springs, crossing the foot over, and finish with a triple time step. And then you can begin on the other leg. So let's take it one more time. Tap step ball change, pick up hop toe hop. 2 tap springs, ball change, tap spring. Brush hop, brush spring, brush hop, brush spring, triple time step. Let's try with the music.